Wagwan, my people, have you ever heard the Jamaican saying, or have you ever heard a Jamaican say, if you can't catch Kwaku, you catch a shot, or if him can't catch Kwaku, him catch a shot, something like that. You ever hear a saying that some Jamaicans might say that sounds similar like that? Well, my people, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show when a person used an object to hit something more than one time. And I got the understanding that the person did that after someone hit the person with an object. Not very sure if the object was thrown or if the object was directly used by the person to hit the person or whatsoever. I don't know. So I viewers and subscribers because the object dropped a ground. But I could take a look at this video and see if we can get an understanding of the video itself. And viewer discretion is advised for this video, viewers and subscribers. Observe.
That's the I'm coming. Man. How are you, man?
Yo. Jesus Christ. Yes, wait. Yo. Jesus Christ. Holy man.
First of all, I'm going to zoom in on a part of this video right here, some people. Now, when you zoom in, what does this look like right here? When you zoom in, what this look like to you? Look between them two things there. What that look like? You know, what it look like the person stand up and what that it look like. Alright? I noticed that you can hear a certain sound when the person jump on top of the thing to them people. So I say, what that sound like?
Yo.
So what that sound like to you, my people? Because it sounds like me hear like some form of glass broken. At the same time, me hear a sound that sound like when somebody walk on top of a motor vehicle, like the bonnet or the top or so forth. Sometimes, I'm not gonna say all the time, but sometimes certain situations just escalated to the wrong way. You see me I say? So tell me what you think about that. Alright, so I'm going to move on to another video, and if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. You see it? Now here I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show a person who had been shot and killed within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. Some people might call this person Yank Boss or other name or names. So I say, now, this person said some words in this video that some people might find to be ironic, viewers and subscribers. And that's why I present the video to you, make you hear some words that the person said in the video. So I say, so please bear in mind that you can hear harsh language in this video. And this video is going to show this person eating something. You see me? Just I tell every one of you, my viewers and subscribers, that because you have some people who, you know, funny them ways when it comes down to seeing someone eating food or eating and so forth. So I say, so viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe and tell me what you think also.
Go bury me one mother. You put me in more ground for worm to eat me. Don't put me down there. Don't put me down there at all. Just burn me. Burn me and take my ashes and just have it home in the house. And I'll make a wall plaque or something because me don't nobody come in the cemetery to walk no over and me because some of them human are real wicked. Next thing they come in, I can't sleep in peace. Every minute only pulling my toe.
Oh yeah.
Me?
You do?
Burn me, just burn me and keep the trouble somebody else actually I put some home in the house and put it in a wall plaque and hang it up in the house and leave me there. Until they throw me out. Don't put me out nowhere where some of them humans can find me. Because every minute some of them in the over your house, they're in cemetery pulling, digging up in your tomb or get no rest. Imagine you're dead and you still can't rest. Nah. I want to rest in peace. When my time comes to rest, allow me to rest.
Easy.
This mango tastes good, boy. I want to with them, the mango that is real good. The little pull is stiff, but the mango. But the pull is stiff, but the mango is real good. That's where. Kevin block Gina. But I must block. Who J? JJ boss? We can't block JJ, my sister. What if I go block my sister?
Easy.
My sister.
Well, listen up here, listen.
I better tell you something. Let's see when I call him JJ. That's when I call now JJ. Bigfoot Trudy, Hardfoot Mandy, and Dirtyfoot Kerrian, and f***ing Squareback Amy. Don't get involved in that.
Yo, this brilliant.
You get yourself
really entertainment.
You get yourself mixed up. Because we go team up on young cuss here.
Oh,
we just cuss while that stink. Stink like dogs. Stink. But here, you don't get that. Respect yourself. You have Jesus in your hand. So,
my people, I'm not gonna be real with you. You know, sometimes when I look on some of the videos them when I see with this person, you know, or like a video I see with him on party and one live when I see and support, I tell you the truth, I find the way how this person go on social media and say certain words to be entertaining. So I tell you the truth. And a lot of people find this person to be entertaining. You see, but you have some persons who might talk about the way how him say certain words to some persons are pertaining to some persons. You see me I say, yeah, trust me, because I say I think quite a number of videos where persons talk about this same person who have been shot and killed. You see me? Now I am going to leave a video with you, my viewers and subscribers, and let me give a little bit of explanation about this video as careful as I can, because in my point of view, a person said some words in this video that are considered as allegations. That's what I'm saying to viewers and subscribers. However, in this video, a person said Kevin, viewers and subscribers, and I am not able to confirm if some words that a person said in this video about a situation are accurate, and I am not able to confirm if some words that the person said in this video about a certain situation are true. No, I am not. The person, in my point of view, vent, as all some people might say. So I say, basically, I want you to listen to some words that the person said in this video, and you can tell me if you agree or if you disagree with some words that the person said. And please bear in mind that I can hear harsh language in this video, so viewer discretion is advised. And until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up. Here's the video. Look, listen, and observe.
I don't care what nobody say. I do not care what nobody say. It's one of these creepy little and them on social media here who kept on cuss out to the core. It's who probably man to dead. And I real vex. Because some all the too wicked. All the too wicked. All they want to come up on social media and tell people all kind of thing. All they want to challenge people on social media. When they outburst and all their mother, all they sending men to kill them and putting up man all the too mother wicked. You dig? Away with all your boys. One of all your pop the man to dead. For your mouth by all the stinking mother by all your pop one of all the day. That last songs there. You dig? Despite what I watch Kevin cuss real people.
Hey, you just
real
walk on the eyes them.
Right? Real men, real women in the past, and nothing like that can happen. The man on alive now and up everybody who come around him with a talk. They dig? And already decide to send a man to kill him. Or decide to send people to kill him or whoever. It's one of all you hear is who killed Kevin, who sent people to kill Kevin. And let me tell you something. All your mother, what goes around comes right back around karma. You see that woman, what they call karma? She's a serious woman. Karma is a serious woman. When she come back for your mother, it can be in the night, it can be early in the morning, it can be with your child in your she will come for you. She will come for you. You understand? And she just take all forms and fashion. She will come in the form of sickness in your mother. You see you who pop that man boy? Your papa good man. Your papa good brother. Right? He mouth a little hot, yes, but he don't deserve no bullet. That is all I say that. What you pop the man for? What you do that for? All you wicked boy. All they take the man out of the land that he living for nothing, boy.
For talk. Just for talk.
All they some creepy boy. I afraid all they boy. All they creepy no more that boy. All they come up here and looking for robs and people when they cuss out all they sending men to kill them. Boy, yeah. All they go get him, he go come back to all you know. Whoever do that, he go come back to all you. Right back. Come is a